Hello everyone, welcome to Cooco Lashes. Cooco Lashes not just charming. Today I will show our company top quality 3D mink eyelashes catalog. Now this is our company top quality 3D mink eyelashes. Now our company have 1004 models. Now I will show the details about the lashes. Now our company eyelashes quality is very best. It is very fully and very 3D. Now today I will test the eyelashes quality and the glue quality. Now I will show the glue. This is our company custom the eyelashes glue. Now we can custom your logo on the glue. Have the silver and the black tube. Now you can choose. Today I will test the 11 models. I will wear it by myself. Now the first we can use the custom lashes glue and apply the lashes glue to the top quality 3D mink lashes. Okay, then wait 30 seconds with the glue dry. Now when the glue is dry, it will become the clear color, so you don't worry about it. Now I will wear the lashes cartoon is the cartoon lashes, so it is very soft. It is very soft. I will wear it. It is easy to wear it and also beautiful. It is also beautiful, and the glue, the quality is the best. It is hard in my eyes. Do you like our top quality 3D mink eyelashes? Welcome to Cooco Lashes. Goodbye, my friend.